The question we are addressing in this video is, do I absolutely need a wedge in order to get the best concealment and comfort results? And the answer is, of course, it depends. So let's get into it. Concealment principles are universal and can be completely brand agnostic, meaning you can achieve great concealment results with a wide variety of holsters if you know how to properly place them and customize them for your body type. This is where the wedge kit comes into play, as it can serve as a key tool for the customization process. If you have a body type shaped like this, then chances are you'll be greatly missing out on the comfort and concealment side of things without some kind of wedge solution. The Keel principle tells us that more gun below the belt line can help prevent grip and rear sight printing while also increasing comfort by decreasing hot spots. This principle also plays a key role in achieving comfort and concealment for all body types, but especially this one, as the shape of the belly wants to press the top of the gun away and create a hot spot with the muzzle end of the holster. Especially for this body type, we would strongly recommend finding some kind of wedge solution right out of the gate. If you have a more slim build, you can also benefit greatly from a wedge solution. Slimmer body types like this tend to get shelf-like printing. This can happen for a number of reasons, but one of them is simply because the diameter of the body is proportionally more narrow in comparison to the thickness of the gun itself. We can minimize this by pressing some of the gun's thickness into the body by using both wings and wedges combined with pressure from a belt or an Enigma. I have one caveat here though. Wedges are great for moving the top of the gun in closer to the body and mitigating painful hot spots created by the muzzle end of the holster pressing into the body. However, they do this by moving the muzzle end of the holster further from the body. Much like a teeter-totter, we move one side of the gun further from the body in order to move the other side of the gun closer to the body. This is all well and good until your wardrobe becomes an issue. So if you wear tight-fitting pants like yoga pants, skinny jeans, or fitted slacks, the wedge pushing the lower end of the gun away from your body will likely create a thing called below the belt printing. We do have a video about below the belt printing and how one can begin to mitigate it, but adding a wedge and pairing it with tight-fitting pants will almost always exacerbate this issue. So do you need to get a holster wedge right out of the gate? Yes and no. Most people will benefit from using a wedge of some kind, but if you're in that category of people who like to wear clothing that fits tightly in the crotch area, then you might want to forego the wedge, at least for now. Quick tip, a cheap and easy way to see if and how you might benefit from using a wedge is simply by stuffing a sock or socks between the muzzle end of the holster and your body. This will give you a rough idea for the concealment benefits you might get from wedge use and whether or not below the belt printing may become an issue for you. If you still have questions about wedge use and below the belt printing, make sure to check out these videos right here.